Hey guys, real quick short video today, Ford Fusion, how to do some tie rod ends. We already got the tie rod end off here, and I'll give you the quick rundown on how to do this. All right, you want to make sure your new tie rod end, about premium lifetime Moogs, are the same length as the old one, center of the stud to the end of the tie rod. On these they are. All right, to take your tie rod off, you got your 19mm lug nuts. Bam, loosen your locking bolt here with a 21mm wrench, and then turn your tie rod off, counting the spins in case you need that number later. Boom, 17.5 spins. And what do we got now? We got these little flat spots right there on the tie rod in case your tie rod doesn't want to come off by hand. These ones came off by hand even though they look rusty. And there was a nut on top, a cotter key. Pull your cotter key out, loosen your nut. Air Tools makes it easy, but my compressor's down right now, so I did it by hand. Take your nut off and you're gonna hammer. See that sweet spot right there that looks shiny? Hammer that until your tie rod just falls right out of there. Now we're gonna put a little bit of grease on these threads, make it easier for the next guy who has to take them off. We're gonna turn that on 17.5 spins, and then we're gonna tighten this locking nut up against the back of this tie rod, and boom, and then we'll shove this guy up through there and tighten her down. All right, we got an 18mm castle nut, torque down to spec. We're gonna put this cotter key through and bend it. Pew! All right, there's our grease fitting, 7mm on this one. Greased it up. Now we can tighten down our jam nut here. Boom. So you're gonna go actually counterclockwise to tighten that up into the outer tie rod. Boom. All right, we'll turn the wheel straight, put our tire back on, and send her down for alignment.